portraying Saint Abigail. I am Sinea Presensi Prudente from grade 9, Servant of the Poor, portraying Saint Ruth of the Moabite.
Good morning. My name is Faith Alexandria Arcado, grade 5, St. Therese of the Child Jesus, portraying Saint Tabitha.
My name is Ira James S. Mendoza from grade 7, Integrity, portraying Hosea.
My name is Aquina Jessica Vilines from grade 9, Servant Prophet, and I'm portraying Mary, wife of Cleopas. My name is Brittany Cassandra Ipon, portraying Miriam from grade 8 of Fisher.
I am Jerome E. Carpio from grade 6, Blessed Father Mariuchin, portraying David.
I am Daniel Andoliano from grade 8 the Shepherd, portraying Martha.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ala Albea A. Pasion from grade 7 B, portraying Our Lady of Mount Carmel.
Hi everyone, my name is Julian Talat. I'm from grade 8 Harvester. I'm portraying Mary Magdalena.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sterling Alvico Asay from grade 9 Servant Father, portraying Saint Daniel.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Nanjan Greenhead from grade 9 Servant Builder, portraying King Gaspar.
Hello everyone, my name is Jeremy Romel M. Kayanan from grade 8 The Sower, portraying Simon of Cyrene.
Good morning, everyone. I am Rancy Esperiman from grade 7 University, portraying Saint Hannah, Mother of Samuel.
Hello everyone, my name is John Dave Gigi de la Carsada from grade 7 Corinth, portraying Pontius Pilate.